Hello, I'm Jodie Sangster, CEO of ADMA, and welcome to the Q&A on compliance. The ownership of customer data is a question that comes up quite often. The company or the organisation that owns the customer data is the company or organisation that is listed at the point of data collection. So if it's clearly stated at that point of data collection that company X is collecting this data and it's collecting it for these purposes, that is the owner of that data. And then if it's going to be disclosed outside of that company, the privacy rules of disclosure will apply. There are instances where two companies can be collecting data at the same time from one form. That's fine, but again, you need to be very clear to say these two companies are collecting the data and this is how those two companies are going to use the data moving forward. So one of the other questions that arises with ownership of data is, what about if a holding company or an overarching company collects the data, and can they then share that data with their subsidiaries? And it depends what the consumer has been told at the point of data collection. If they've only been told that it's being collected by the holding company and there has been no mention of the subsidiaries, then has the consumer expectation been set that the data is going to be shared? And the answer is probably no. So to be on the safe side, if a holding company is collecting data on behalf of all its subsidiaries, it needs to say that and be clear to the individual that that's what's going to happen with their data.